Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome aboard our flight to Sacramento. Once airborne, our flight time is going to be 2 hours and 3 minutes. At this time, if you could please direct your attention to the flight attendants. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the flat metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap, lift the buckle to release. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off. Please take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with this aircraft. This Airbus A320 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a water landing, slides detach from the aircraft and are used for flotation. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. When open, ramp slides will automatically inflate. If needed, lifelines are located in overhead compartments above the window exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember they may be behind you. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit. A change in color and exit sign will help you locate an exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceilings. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Please put your mask on first before helping others. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light and a pouch under between your seats. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove, and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end tight. Just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or blowing into the tube at shoulder level. This aircraft also has infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking and using e-cigarettes and smokeless tobacco are never allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon. Please bring your seat back up, close your tray table, fasten your seat belt, return your headrest to its lowered position, and make sure your small lightweight devices are in the airplane-only mode. Food or beverage items must be collected or put away for departure.